Utanat kampo iyeng ka sarkar pedeng Ahmed Shah ula pentep Shah UMP ke Manipur anggom cha bimal akoy jam maka jinglap bat be iki beriu ki bawan rong be an ka dei ningkong ka kamram jong ka jela. O Menteri Kampo Ing, Minister of State for Home Affairs u Bandi Sanjay Kumar ula ong bat ki jela ki dei ban le hapo ka an Foreigners Act bat ki an ki bay dei bat ka jingwan rong ki mender. Kasorgar pedeng kala IT ru ya ka bor sya ki jela ban itu iki nong wan buhay shnong be an ban pendami ki kot ki slajong ki bathok bat ban sedang ban be no iki shala ki jong kiri jong ki hi.
It's fundamental rights enshrined in Article 19 of the Constitution. So you can't do this. For a momentary, you can have 144 CRPC and stuff like that. You can restrict, but not normalize like this for 3 years, separating people. You have never done in this country. When whichever violence, communal violence you have seen, this kind of practice, but I don't know why government of India is doing. They stopped me. I mean, it happened a couple of times. I am an MP, member of Parliament of our National Assembly called Parliament, and I was restricted from going there. I mean, this is, and I file a RTI, they refuse to answer. वो बोलेगा कि बफर जोन है नहीं है, लेकिन हकीकत में वो इम्पोज करके रखा हुआ है. So this kind of dishonesty and blatant illegal unconstitutional measures and increasing distrust on security forces because you have not completely reined in this violence. You said weapons have been recovered. ये कहाँ से आए? RPGs and others. If you have recovered the weapons, ये कहाँ से आए? Have you seen the pictures of their 2 kids? It's heartbreaking. Before the good night, जो mother ने बोला रो के, रात को सोने से पहले जो बड़े वाला जो 5 साल का लड़का बोलगा मामा आई लव यू बोला, मैं आपसे बातें करती हूँ. इस मोमेंट में भी ना मेरा फीलिंग, I can feel that pain. So people are very agitated. And then the reports I get that the response of the security forces was also delayed. I was told that this CRPF unit did not come out after the bomb blast happened. They should have rushed in there immediately. They didn't do it. It was pretty delayed. So the suspicion of the people get, and I think this is very unfortunate. It is the failure of lastly the political will of, and I think partly now I can also absorb our senior officials of our security forces. I understand that they are working under extremely sensitive and pressing situation, and I think their professional competency must come in full display, and there should be control in it. But again, you see, post that people got agitated since they were not coming out. They think because of the mistrust, the feeling that they are taking a partisan role, they have not been able to stop such violence. That feeling has led to this assumption that the troops were involved, so they were storming that one. Even in that response, जो standard operation